Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 15 position word. So let us start the chapter. Draw a ball in the box. So now we will draw a ball in the box. Number 2. Take the picture in which the cat is sitting on the chair. So in this picture the cat is under the chair and in this picture the cat is on the chair. So tick here. Learning window. Now we will start the chapter. How do we say where something is? Now how to define that where the thing is, where the position of the thing is. The word in tells us where the ball is. So in tell where the ball is. It is in the box. The word on tells us where the cat is sitting. So the cat is sitting on the table. It is telling us where the cat is sitting. The word at tells us where the boy is waiting. Here the word at, it is telling us that the boy is waiting at the bus stop. So here the word at is telling us that where the boy is waiting. In all the pictures the word in, on and at help us to tell us the position or place of a naming word. So all the words in, on, at, they help us to tell the position of the naming words. So let us know the definition of position word. Words that help us to tell the place or position of a person, animal or thing are called position word. They are also called preposition. So the words which tells us about the position or place of any person, place, animal or thing, those words are called position word, and in other word it is also called prepositions. Now let us see the uses of the words in, on, at. We use in for showing location. So in is used in those sentences which shows us location. The books are in the box. So here in, it is showing us the location of the book. I live in Chennai. It is showing the location. Number B, we use on to talk about the place where something is kept. So the word on tells us about the place where the thing is kept. The notebook is on my desk. The ball is on the dining table. So on word tells us about the position of something which is kept at something else. Number C, we use at to talk about a place or time. So at is used to talk about any kind of place or time. When we are talking about any time or when we are talking about a particular place, we will use the word at. So this was all about the chapter. Now we will start the exercise. Number A. Look at the pictures and fill in the correct position words from the bracket. Now look at the picture and fill it the correct words which are given in the bracket. Rishabh is sleeping dash his bed. So Rishabh is sleeping in his bed. The clock is hanging dash the wall. So the clock is hanging on the wall. The cat is sleeping dash the basket. The cat is sleeping in the basket. A lamp is dash at the table. So the lamp is on the table. Maria is sitting dash her desk. So Maria is sitting on her desk. The children are throwing stones dash the pond. So the children are throwing stones in the pond. Now come to number B. Look at the picture. So a picture is given. You have to look at this picture and fill in the blanks with the position word at, in and on to complete the paragraph. So here an incomplete paragraph is given. You have to fill in the position word at, in and on and complete the paragraph. The students are sitting in the class. A chart is hanging on the wall. The teacher is writing on the board. The students are reading from the book kept on their tables. A student is standing at the door. So this was all about the paragraph. Now come to number C. Circle the correct words. How many chairs are there dash the room? So the correct answer is in. We were waiting dash the station to meet uncle. So the correct one will be at. We were waiting at the station to meet uncle. The birds are sitting dash a branch. So the correct option will be the birds are sitting on a branch. I can see a boat dash the picture. So the answer will be I can see a boat in the picture. Let us meet dash 4 p.m. Let us meet at 4 p.m. My house is dash the corner of the street. So the correct word will be my house is at the corner of the street. Number 7. Whose socks are lying dash the bed? Whose socks are lying in the bed? I saw my friends dash the fair on Sunday. So the correct one will be I saw my friends at the fair on Sunday. So this was all about chapter 15. Your homework is to go through chapter 15 and read the exercises and also the uses of position word. So that's all for today. Thank you.